Okay, so yeah, make sure you're up towards the pedals. You can reach them and push them down comfortably.
Okay.
All right. So first thing you're going to do is what?
The key?
Yeah. Okay, good. Now keeping your foot on the brake, you're going to grab a hold. Yeah. And then squeeze that button and push it on drive. Hold the brake in. Now look where you are, and you're going to ride along the road. You know, the parking thing you see to the right. I'll guide you. Just start to go slowly.
I'm going to release.
Yes. Don't push on the gas. Just release. Yep, just let go. And now just steer to the right a little bit, gently. Let go of the brake. Let go of the brake.
Let go of the brake.
Yep. And then straighten out to the left. Good. This is you driving for the first time. Stay on this course. See how you would go right around? Yep. Wow, good job. Come to the right a little bit. Yep. Now straighten it out. And you're going to follow it around. See how it goes around? Yep. Start to turn left. Yep, just start to turn. Good job. I can't believe this. Yep, straighten it out. Turn the wheel. And then remember your brake if you're going a little bit too fast when we start to make the left up here. Okay, you can start turning left. Push the brake a little bit. You're going a little bit too fast. Good. Straighten it out. Go all the way to the end and start to make a left at the end. Good job. Let go of the brake. Let go of the brake. Start to turn up. Yep, and then push the gas a little bit. Turn to the right. Turn to the right. Stay on that path. See, right now you're on the sidewalk and you're headed towards houses, so stay on the road. Let go of the gas. Let go of the gas. Let go of the gas. Push the brake. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Yep. Go all the way and start to turn left. Are you nervous?
No.
You're doing well.
Yeah.
Straighten it out. Straighten it out. Wow, I'm amazed. This is your first time driving. Keep going all the way down a little bit more. Now turn left. Brake. Brake. Push hard. Push hard the brake. Okay.
Because
Gently. Gently. That's enough. Let go. Turn left. Okay. Give it a little bit. Let go of the brake. Gas. A little bit of gas. Straighten it out. Try to stay off of where the lines are and stay on the road. Just imagine now slow up to make the left. Yep, start to make the left. Good job. Wow. Are you happy?
yeah.
Okay, straighten it out. Whenever you're turning, you have to always be adjusting your steering.
Okay.
All right, stop. Stop. Push the brake hard. Good. Hold it. Hold it. Now take. Yep. Put it in park. Good job.
Thank